Hey, this is Shawn for Shawn Enterprises Royalty Affiliate, and I'm here making this video to update you on some big news coming out of Royalty today that was just announced. Um, we have a new feature, content marketing. Basically, what content marketing is, um, it basically is going to give you access to pre-made blogs, news articles relating to your particular niche. And basically, what this what this does is that it allows you to present yourself as an authority figure in your niche, to give you a little bit of credibility because you're giving out free information to people, and also that helps to increase your attraction marketing to attract people to you because they already set you above the rest of the people in your field and your niche. Um, it establishes you as an expert, that a go-to person that people will come to if they're looking for information in your particular field and niche. It's very powerful. That's a new add-on feature that we will have. Whereas a couple weeks ago, we recently released the social marketing posts, which we are having big results from, which are clickable posts that you can create using pictures. You can put a link inside the picture, and this makes it fun and interacting for people when you post on social media to get to see your offer. There's also been an update to our Giraffe Club. It was Giraffe Club. Basically, let me explain the Giraffe Club to you. It's an add-on feature that you go put on to your membership. It has an additional monetary fee to it, and basically what they do is the company gives you unclaimed leads, leads that come in that do not come in through an affiliate. They come in through the company website, and what they do, they're leads, and they're also signees, and they're signed out to the affiliates that are inside of this Giraffe Club. The update that they have now with this Giraffe Club is that they're allowing that members of the Giraffe Club to actually sponsor people into the Giraffe Club at a reduced fee, which is huge because of the overwhelming amount of leads that they have coming in that are not assigned. They're giving them to their affiliates. Think about that. If you're new to network marketing and you're looking to grow a business and you might be struggling to get leads and you're struggling to get signees, for the company to actually give you signees. How many other companies out here are doing that? We are doing that for you. That is huge to help you grow your business, help you grow your downline, help you get started, help you grow your team, help you to train people, help you to support people, and to get them started the right way using our products, our services, and our business opportunity. Can't be beat. And right now, as far as our content marketing feature, right now, if you get in, sign in to our popular package, the entrepreneur package, up until September the 15th, 2019, you get unlimited access, unlimited posting to our content marketing posts. All right? Unlimited. Now, after that, if you don't get in by the 15th, it breaks down like this. If you come in on our starter package, you get one content marketing post per week. Entrepreneur will give you 3 a week. Small business, that's our biggest package. You get unlimited. You get unlimited content marketing posts. Okay, let me say that again. If you get in before the 15th at our popular entrepreneur package, you get access to have unlimited content marketing package. You'll be able to post articles, blogs, any important information regarding your niche. You'll be able to post, attach a link to it, and be able to use it unlimited if you get in by September 15th, 2019. After September 15th, 2019, it's going to break down like this. You come in the starter package, you're allowed one content marketing post a week. You come in with entrepreneur, you get 3 a week, and small business, you get unlimited. All right? If you like this, if you need some more information, send me a message or you can reach me, Shawn Cole, 410-929-3390. You can find me on Facebook at Shawn Cole or Shawn Cole Enterprises. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have and to assist you. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Happy to hear from you. You have a great day. Thank you for listening.